Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a general Higgsfield soul effect or generate a picture or an image on Higgsfield AI. And in case you're wondering, Higgsfield is an AI platform that allows you to generate mind-blowing stunning visual effects and also create high quality images. Now to do this, all you have to do is to log into your Higgsfield account, then click on the Higgsfield soul section here, the second one, then click on general. Once you click on general, it should bring you to a page similar to what I have here. You can see a variety of pictures and images generated by this particular model. So you can generate yours by clicking on the generate button here. Now you have to just describe your scene here. Now I went ahead to generate this image based on a prompt here. So this is the prompt I typed into the prompt section, and I was able to generate this particular video, this particular picture. So you can also set the resolution, the aspect ratio you want for, to, especially if you are doing for TikTok or for YouTube or whatever resolution will be, aspect ratio will be best for your project. You can set it, and then you can click on this section. This is for the free users and this is for premium users. Also, you can also change the quality of what you want. If you want it to be high or basic, high may take higher credits, and it takes about 2 credits for higher resolutions, while the basic one takes about a single credit. Here you can see it. So it takes really much few seconds to generate. You know what, let me try and generate it. So let me just choose illustration of, let me say, happy man, and generate. It takes very few seconds to generate. Okay, so you can see it took less than 20 seconds. So this is very good. You can now proceed to download it or even edit or animate it, as the case maybe. You can download it from this area here. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow our channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys.